Hey there friends. In today's digital age, sometimes we all need a little break from social media. If you're considering stepping back from Facebook for a while, you're in the right place. I'm going to walk you through the process of deactivating your Facebook account, step by step. So, let's take that digital detox together. Step 1, log into your Facebook account on your preferred device. Step 2, click on your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Settings Privacy. Step 3, now, click on Settings to access your account settings. Step 4, on the left sidebar, click on Your Facebook Information. Step 5, find Account Ownership and Control, then select Deactivation and Deletion. Step 6, choose Deactivate Account, then click on Continue to Account Deactivation. Step 7, fill out the form, provide a reason for deactivation, and click Deactivate when you're ready, and there you have it. Your Facebook account is now deactivated. Remember, this isn't permanent, you can reactivate your account anytime by logging back in. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Until next time, take care.